Welcome to our 2025 guide on reusing selections on FanDuel. In this video, we'll explore the many features that make FanDuel a great platform for sports enthusiasts and how you can maximize your gameplay by reusing your selections. First, let's dive into the FanDuel interface. I'll walk you through how to easily find the reuse selection option so you can streamline your lineup process. FanDuel offers a variety of selection types. In this section, we will discuss the different options available for reuse, including player selections, team selections, and contest types. To make your life easier, you can save your favorite selections for future use. I'll show you how to save them effectively and share tips for organizing your selections. Now, let's see how you can apply your saved selections across various contests. This feature allows you to amplify your chances of winning by utilizing previously successful picks. It's important to tweak your reused selections based on matchups. Here are some best practices to keep in mind for optimal performance. Managing your entries is key to successful gameplay. I'll share some tips to keep track of all your reused selections within your lineup strategy. FanDuel provides various tools and resources to help you make effective selections. Let's explore these tools and how they can assist you in reusing your selections. Before we wrap up, let's talk about some common mistakes to avoid when reusing selections on FanDuel to ensure you have the best possible experience. That's a wrap. We hope this guide has helped you understand the benefits of reusing selections on FanDuel. Now it's time for you to explore these features and enhance your gameplay.